Welcome back. We're going to do Eerhee. Eerhee is probably an akkar that many of you have learned because if you've been through classes before, or even when you were little, you probably heard Uda, Ada, Eerhee, Sasa, Haha. Well, we didn't start there, but we're going to do the lesson, and I'm going to show you the sound it makes, just like how we always do. And of course, we're going to learn how to write it. But before we do that, remember these four akkar. I need you to make sure you know your akkar. So let's go. Here we go. You should know these inside out. You should know these backwards. You should know these in any order I give them to you. For example, look at lalla, look at baba, look at dada. If you weren't able to do it at the speed I gave them to you, you need to go back and practice some more. Write these out again if you need to. We said when you have both lines on papa, it is tata. When you have both lines, it's tata. This was dada, this was uda, and this was our slouching N. That's how we wrote it and remembered it, that it is ada. Okay, are you ready? You're going to love this one. If you have been following my instructions, you did your tanka, and you know your tanka inside out, Eerhee is one of the fastest and easiest lessons there is. Are you ready? Start with tanka. Add a line. We're done. See that? Give it the Punjabi shape, a little bit of a curve. That's the whole lesson. Repeat after me. Okay? Eerhee, E. Eerhee, E. Eerhee, E. Eerhee, E. How do we write it? Just in case you didn't do your tanka, we write left to right and get our tanka down. So you come down here, do the down shape, go stroke across, drop off to there, come back around to the end, and then draw the line, and that's what Eerhee looks like. Okay? Let's go like we always do, and let's write it together because that's actually more fun. And one of the things I wanted to talk to you about while I'm doing this is the fact that in Punjabi, some people say Eerhee eh, and others say Eerhee e. I say Eerhee e, and just we're going to follow that convention. We start our line, go straight across. I'm going to give you my two mental dots. Remember, I keep these in my mind, but I'm just going to show you on the screen. And then what I do is I drop straight down, okay, go across. Right about here, I start my curve. See that? Do my curve there and come back around. And there's my tanka portion. And now I start up here and do a curve like this, and I've got Eerhee E. See that? Let's go over to green. Let's do that again. I don't need my dots this time. Eerhee E, Eerhee E, Eerhee E, Eerhee E, Eerhee E. Okay. I will do yellow, and let's go Eerhee E, Eerhee E, Eerhee E. Practice with me. Eerhee E, Eerhee E, Eerhee E. Okay? Okay, well, not bad. I'll end on a blue note today. Eerhee E, Eerhee E, Eerhee E, Eerhee E. Dropping off. A little bit of a point. Eerhee E, Eerhee E, Eerhee E, Eerhee E. Okay, so how did I do today? Well, in all seriousness, you know, I think I like the last one best because it looked closer to all the Eerhee E's that I have seen. Here you'll see that play by play, this is a little too narrow. That over here is probably a little too narrow. This is about the right shape. These are pretty good overall. But, I could have had if I really wanted to do it the way the books do it, I could have done a little bit of a point here. But quite frankly, any one of these Eerhees is a passable Eerhee. And if you were to show it to your mom and dad, in fact, go write it out for your mom and dad and show it to them, I bet you they would recognize Eerhee E. Okay? So with that, let's go back, and you know what to do. I'd like you to, immediately after this lesson, ਇਸ ਅੱਖਰ ਨੂੰ 10 ਵਾਰੀ ਲਿਖਣਾ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਹਰ ਵਾਰੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਲਿਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਅੱਖਰ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਵੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਨਾਲ ਬੋਲੋਗੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਰਹੇਗਾ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? So make sure you do that right after the lesson because if you delay it, then you won't do it. So the best time is to now just sit down, do your akkar 10 times and be done with it. And with that, I'd like to thank you for your time and for your attention as always, and I will see you again.